I've made just over $250 in a single day with the tool that I'll show you in this video. And you can do this yourself and collect the money in passive income over and over again for an unlimited amount of time. So stay tuned to find out how. Now, just before I show you everything, if you like this type of content and you'd like to see more, then support my channel by giving this video a big thumbs up. Before we go to the website, you first need to set up and have your very own PayPal account. So head on over to paypal.com and set up an entirely free account by clicking this button over here. Just provide the needed details and log into your very own PayPal account. If you don't want that option or you don't want to do that, you can set it said. Let's now jump straight into the tutorial so that I can show you everything. So today's strategy revolves around this site here called Mangools.com. For those of you who have never heard about this, Mangools.com is basically an SEO site. And if you don't know what SEO stands for, it's search engine optimization. And what SEO essentially does is help various websites rank on Google so more people can see them as much. Mangools.com basically help out various websites to get more traffic, as simple as that, as many large companies need Mangools.com, simply because they could be paying up to hundreds of dollars for an ad on Google, and if it isn't visible, then all of that money is essentially going to waste. And this is where this website comes in. Now don't worry, you won't need a website or whatever for this to work. You can actually be a complete beginner and still get paid. Now, something that I really love about Mangools that will be very important for us later on is that it offers its users a 10-day free trial. This is very important because people are generally skeptical about websites like these and generally don't love the idea of paying a website without knowing if it's a scam or whatever. So having a free trial is beneficial for both Mangools.com and for all its potential customers as well. How Mangools.com helps its customers specifically, you can see here, it can find the right keywords, it can track your rankings, and it also offers essential spying on your competition. And these are all powerful features which are extremely helpful for various website owners. Because not only will they bring them more traffic, but they will also overall help build their business and earn them a lot of money, since online marketing nowadays is hugely important for businesses of all sorts. Now just below, you can see what people love about this site, and as you can see, this includes its great UI, thanks to which you don't have to be an expert to start using our SEO tools. You'll understand all the data and features instantly. It offers support with SEO skills, and last but not the least, it offers its customers one of the best prices on the market as far as SEO tools are concerned. If you scroll further down, you'll come across some testimonials. You will see all the big companies featured here, and more information which you can check out. As you may guess, I won't do that. What I want to show you now is what you need to do here, which is to scroll down to the very bottom of the page and then click on the affiliate program. In this video, I will show you how to easily find people who will need Mangools.com, and it includes a free way and a paid but far more effective way to do it, and you can pick between the two of them. With that said, there are several reasons Mangools.com is so great to promote as an affiliate. For starters, there is an infinite number of customers since new websites are being created literally every single day. But more importantly, the owners of these websites all have big budgets and many are owners of companies. So not only would Mangools be beneficial for improving their business, but we also know that they will have the capacity to pay them. And once they see the improvements in income that they got from Mangools.com, they will want to use it for a much longer period of time. This means that you don't need to refer too many people on this website to be able to earn a lot of money. Lastly, the free trial I mentioned in the beginning is also hugely important, and it will lead to many more people trying this out. Now this site offers you 30% lifetime commissions, as you can see here. Even though these aren't the highest of commissions, they are definitely better than most. Check this out here. The average payout from an affiliate is nearly $500 a month, which is actually very good, but I will show you how to earn way more than that in this video. Now, how much exactly you'll be earning per customer is something I know many of you will want to know. You can check this out by clicking on pricing here. As you can see, they have 3 pricing plans: basic, premium, and agency. And for each of these, there is a monthly and annual payment option. Now most people from my research go for the premium option since it's the best value for pricing. And as you can see, it costs $40 a month, with the annual plan which is $480 a year. So think about this for a second. If you refer 100 people in a year, which is insanely low as well, That means you would be making nearly $50,000 a year in passive income. And remember, most people who use this tool tend to stick around it because it's profitable for them. So as you can see, this has an enormous potential to make you a lot of money. In any case, you can check out the features of this website, but I simply won't go over all of them to not prolong the video. To become an affiliate, all you need to do is click on Start Earning Now over here. That will bring you over to this page where you will need to click on Don't Have an Account in order to create one, and once you do, you will grab your affiliate link and I will now show you exactly where to get traffic. The first method in getting traffic involves Google, and what you need to do from here is search for a business type and city or town. This is something I've shown several times in my previous videos, simply because it's a very easy way and effective way to get traffic. As you can see, I have searched for gyms in Philadelphia, and what I need to do now is scroll down and click on View All right here. This will now, as you can see, show me all of these gyms that also happen to have websites as well, which are all potential customers. What I now want to do is open up any of these sites, then find their contact info, which is located at either the top or bottom of the page. In this case, I have their email right up here, and what you will do from here is simply contact them via email. Go over all the great features of Mangools.com, its free trial, great prizes, and so on. And you will want to repeat this process with other businesses as well. The real power of this strategy is that you can search for any business located anywhere around the globe, and you will easily be able to find an infinite number of customers. And as you know, you only need a very small amount of them to actually pay Mangools.com for you to make thousands of dollars in passive income. This method, however, has a big flaw. You have to search for customers yourselves, and only after some of them pay Mangools.com will be making money in passive income. It's perfect for everyone, no matter the experience, and it allows you to make money from home. And you won't be creating a single video with this at all. It literally does everything for you. This is a fantastic tool which I made some decent money, and I highly encourage all of you to give this a try, and I promise you, you won't be disappointed with the results. But regardless, this is it for today's video. As always, if you liked it and if you are enjoying my content, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up below to support my channel. And in case you don't want to miss out on any future videos just like this one, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll be notified whenever a new video pops up.